I wanted to show you our Moen garbage disposal. We bought this garbage disposal a little while back and it was super easy to install. All we had to do was hook up the drain right here, and then you hook up your dishwasher in here so that your dishwasher can drain in here. And then you just hook it directly in your sink right here. Once you attach this to your sink, this just screws on and locks in place. Outside of that, this has been a great dishwasher. Oh yeah, and a power cord. So we have the power cord ran right here, and it runs back to a little power outlet right there. But all in all, we've really enjoyed this. So if you're looking for a garbage disposal, then this is a great way to go. We have a bunch of Moen products. The one we had before this had kind of rusted out, and then we were like, well, let's come back here. And this one has plastic around the outside of it. So it's really nice, and I think that's going to keep it from kind of rusting and looking bad. I think this one's going to look good for a very long time because of that plastic. But yeah, that's about it for now. If you get one, I hope yours treats you well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.